Look, this one is a nice flavor. We will try. We will try our milk flavor. See? The taste is very nice. Flavor drinks coffee. Cold flavor drink coffee. So guys, very nice. Delicious taste. Good taste. Hi vlog, welcome back to my channel. For today's videos guys, we proceed to flavor drinks iced coffee. Yung ating ibang procedure kasi parehas lang lahat, like an dark mocha is the same also procedure as an ice mocha, ice white mocha. So I do not discuss that one because they are the same procedure. This time we talk about flavor drinks. So these flavor drinks guys, they are three flavor inside in the coffee. This is hazelnut flavor, vanilla flavor, and caramel flavor. So that is three kinds combination of flavor drinks. So guys, let's start our actual procedure. So guys, let's start our another procedure of iced coffee. That's what we call flavor drinks. So this flavor drinks guys, this I will show you the flavor. This is our flavor drinks: the hazelnut, the vanilla, and the caramel. So this is a combination, three combination of coffee. We need to mix that one. Caramel. This caramel, vanilla, and hazelnut. So that three flavor. We need to mix it. So what to do now? First we will open our weighing scale again. Now we have already three combination of flavor, which is hazelnut, caramel, and vanilla. So first we will take this mixing cup. This is what we call mixing cup again. We need to drop this one. The dropping of each guys is 10 grams, 10 grams, 10 grams. So 30 grams all. So we need to put 10 grams. First we will mix zero this one. Our weighing scale. Now zero now. So we need to drop 10 grams. 10 grams. So this is all guys, 10 grams. 30 grams all, 10 grams of hazelnut, 10 grams of vanilla, 10 grams of caramel. So that's all 30 grams all. So next guys, we already have a three combination flavor here, what we call flavor drinks. So we need to put some sugar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons. That's it. And then this is different in the other flavors. This is different. And then we need the milk. This time I put full pot. So now we need to zero first our weighing scale. We need to make it 150 grams or above. No problem. 50 grams. Yeah, that's it. This is 150 grams of milk full pot. So this time, before I use low pot, now I use full pot. So what next? We will take some 6 to 7 pieces of 80 grams of ice cube, guys. So 6 to 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take only 4. That's all. This is already here, our flavor. The remaining flavors is espresso. So the espresso is, we need to put this one on last of the last part, because this one we need to mix it first, because there is a three combination flavor, so we need to mix it first, then last is espresso. So guys, we need to mix, hold in the topper and in the down like this, then we will mix it 1 minute. 1 minute of mixing. We will taste this one. We will try to taste. Good. The taste is good. So next, guys, we need to make espresso. See, this is espresso. You need to fix it, then extract. See guys, we will extract this one, espresso. That we have flavored. So we have an espresso now. The next step is we need to take 1 glass. This one is the last part. We need to put this one in the last part. So guys, this is our flavor drinks. This is espresso. So this is different mixing. What we need to do next is we need 1 glass. And take 3 pieces of ice. So we have here now ice. What the next step is we need to transfer this one into the glass. See, this is already mixed. Already mixed all the flavors, so we need to transfer it here in the glass. See, already here, guys. Our next step is we need to put some espresso inside the glass like this. See, look at this one, guys. This is what we call flavor drinks. See, this is what we call flavor drinks. This is combination of hazelnut, caramel, and vanilla. So as you can see, guys, this is different from the other flavor. So that's all guys, our vlog for today. This is what we call the flavor drinks. Combination of 3 flavor, hazelnut, vanilla and caramel. The procedure of flavor drinks is 10 grams of caramel, 10 grams of hazelnut and 10 grams of vanilla. So you mix it well, then the espresso coffee we will put in the last part of in the topper of the glass. So that's the procedure. Then you only mix like this and then try. Number 1. So guys, that's all our vlog for today. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat dyan. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching.